What's up guys, Christian here and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This method will work for any other Samsung Galaxy version, any other Samsung Galaxy model out there. But for this example, I'm going to use my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra and we are going to unlock this phone to use it with any SIM card in any country. It's going to be very simple. We're going to do everything together step by step. And after we unlock this phone, we will be able to use it with any carrier. Now, there are a couple of things that I have to mention before we start. The first thing is that this is a carrier unlock. This is not a passcode or security unlock. This simply means unlocking the network of your Samsung in order to use your phone with other networks like AT&T, T-Mobile, Vodafone, Orange, any other SIM card. The other thing that I have to mention is that this is a paid method. This is a 100% legal, legit way to unlock any smartphone. So yeah, just keep that in mind. And the other thing, the last thing is that nothing will happen in terms of damages to this phone. This is not a hacking. This is nothing more than a simple way to unlock the network. Okay, so it's nothing related to hacking or illegal stuff. It is a 100% legit way. With that said, we're gonna start. So the first thing you have to do is to get your phone's IMEI number. Sometimes you have it in the back part of your phone here written down on the back part. But you can also dial *#06#, and you will see that your IMEI number will show up in the screen of your phone. We're gonna use only the first 15 digits. So keep this number in hand because we're gonna need it in a few seconds. So if you can see right here, we're gonna use only the first 15 digits. All right, the next step will take place on the computer. So I'm just gonna put my phone away, but keep the number, this number close. All right. All right, so now we have to go to the website unlockriver.com. Using this tool or this platform, we will unlock the phone. So first we have to select the carrier that your phone is currently locked to. My phone is originally locked to AT&T in the United States. Then you will select the brand of the phone. So go ahead and select yours. This will work for any other brand. And then you select the exact model of the phone you want to unlock. In this case, I'm just gonna type in mine. For some cases, you have different services, the economic, the premium, and the difference is the delivery time. Some will take longer to deliver than others. But for this example, I'm going to use a premium service. Then we're going to insert the IMEI number, so just make sure you write it down correctly. All right, so we're going to go down and then we're going to insert the personal email where you want to receive your unlock code. Make sure it is 100% correct because they will send you your code here. If there's an error with this email, you will not get your code, so just double check it. And the last option is to write down your mobile number in case you want to get notifications on how your order is going. I recommend filling this in, but it's not required. So I'm just going to skip it for now. You can see the price of the unlock or how many business days it will take to get your unlock code in your email. So as you can see here, this is my delivery time, and I'm going to proceed by clicking unlock now. So on the following page, you will see a summary of your order. You can see the delivery time, how long it will take. It is business days, so keep that in mind. You have to be very patient. You can also see the price and you can read all the information here. Just double check everything, make sure everything is correct. It is always good to be informed how the unlocking works, but no worries, everything is 100% correct. I've done this more than 100 times and it works almost every time. I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna place my order. I'm gonna be back once my email and my order has been completed, so I'll see you in a few seconds. All right, so after you have placed your order, you have to wait a couple of days, and sometimes it can be very fast, as fast as a couple of hours, but sometimes it can take up to 15 business days. It depends on your brand, carrier, and model, so just keep that in mind. But for this example, I'm gonna show you the email that I got from Unlock River with my unlock code. So as you can see right here, I just got this email from Unlock River saying that my code is ready or that my phone has been unlocked. So as you can see here, this message confirms that my phone has been unlocked, and it includes instructions on how to activate or how to enter the unlock code. Some cases you're gonna get an unlock code, and in other cases you're just gonna get a notification that your phone has been remotely unlocked. Either way, I'm gonna show you how to proceed. We're gonna keep this unlock code in hand. So after receiving that email, you will have two options to unlock your phone, and it depends on your carrier. For example, for some carriers, you're gonna have an application, it's called Unlock App, and you will have it somewhere here. You have to look for that application and click unlock device, and your unlock should be activated with that. But if you don't have that application right here, I'm going to show you the other method, which is the most common method there is to unlock or to insert the unlock code. So the first thing we have to do is to turn off the phone. So we're going to slide down and we're gonna hit where it says turn off, and we're gonna completely power off the device. Once your phone is completely off, we're gonna insert a SIM card from a different carrier. For example, my phone is originally locked to AT&T, so I'm gonna use a different SIM card. We're gonna use a SIM card from a different carrier. In this example, I'm gonna use my T-Mobile SIM card. So I'm just gonna go ahead, remove the SIM card tray, we're gonna insert the new SIM card, and we're gonna put it back into the phone. Make sure it is completely inserted, just make sure it is fully closed, and then we're gonna power on the phone again. It's gonna take a few seconds to power on, and once the phone is fully on, we're gonna get a message requesting an unlock code, and that's where we need to insert the unlock code we received on the email. So we're just gonna wait a couple of seconds here. Alright, so as you can see, this message is requesting a SIM network unlock PIN, and we have 1 out of 10 attempts to insert the correct unlock code. So we're gonna go ahead and insert correctly the code we got in the email. It's just gonna take a few seconds. So make sure you write it down correctly, and then we're gonna hit unlock, and we should get a success message. SIM network unlock successful. Perfect. That means that the phone was unlocked successfully, and now we're able to use this phone with any carrier. As you can see here, I have a full signal bar, and my phone is now currently running on T-Mobile and was originally locked to AT&T. If you get an incorrect unlock code, no worries, you can email them back and they'll send you a correct code based on your IMEI number. And it is as simple as that, guys. That's how you unlock this phone, any Samsung Galaxy out there. And now this phone is compatible with any SIM card in any country. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, just leave them down on the comment section down below. I'll try to answer all of them as soon as I can. Thank you so much. My name is Christian, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.